Hi all, welcome back to our channel Sankalp to explore India. Today we are back with one of the beautiful temples near Mulbagal. This temple is one of its kind, with one of the biggest statue of Ganesha made of Saligrama. If you are new to channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like the video and leave your valuable comments. Kurudumale is a sacred place located in Mulbagal in the Kolar district. The temple is at a distance of just 10 kilometers from Mulbagal town and around 100 kilometers from Bengaluru city centre. Kurudumale is famous for the Ganesha temple that has attracted people from near and far for years. The Ganesha temple has a lot of little legends wrapped up in its gates. Kurudumale was formerly known as Kudimalai, which in Tamil means meeting hill. Therefore it is said that the gods would come down from heaven to this spot for a bit of fun and games or recreation. Home to one of the biggest idols, the Kurudumale Ganesha Temple has a 30.5-foot Ganesha idol installed within its walls. Festivals and weekends are the main times when crowds of people throng the premises of this beautiful temple. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the grandest festivals celebrated in the Kurudumale Ganesha Temple. Temple timings are 6:30 am to 1 pm and 3 pm to 8:30 pm. Let me show you around the temple. I have tried covering each side of the temple. An architectural marvel whose immense size will take your breath away. The temple's famous idol is said to be continuously growing. The temple provides one with a feeling of tranquility and peace. The power and positivity of the Lord Ganesha that radiates can be felt by everyone. Originally under the rule of the Cholas, the temple area later came under the boundary of the Vighnaharta kingdom. The influences of these dynasties are very evident in the architectural elements present in the temple. There are inscriptions on the temple wall that also lend evidence to the fact that Kurudumale Ganesha Temple was built during the rule of the Vighnaharta kings. The inscriptions are all in Tamil, and some even date back to the 13th century during the rule of the Hosla kings. It was the mighty King Krishnadev that built the temple. It is said that the huge Ganesha idol was placed in a field on the hill in Kurudumale and for very long was worshipped in an open field. The idol of Ganesha in the temple is believed to have been installed by the Trimurtis Brahma, the god of creation, Vishnu, the god of preservation, and Maheshwara, the god of destruction. During the Satya Yuga, which is the first mythological era, Ganesha destroyed the demon Tripursura, and this was the reason the gods installed the idol in Kurudumale. They also conducted a puja and offered prayers to the deity. Legends also talk about how Lord Rama offered prayers at this spot to the idol during his search for Sita. The Pandavas also offered prayers here before the final battle of the Mahabharata. Area around temple is well organized for parking, and also there is a garden in front of temple. We played cricket with local children and it was one of the best experiences after long time. We could cherish our childhood memories with them. Let me take you around the park. Park has got a lake and plants with colorful flowers. Kurudumale can be readily reached by highway from Mulbagal at a distance of 110 kilometers from Bangalore. State corporate buses also fly to the Kurudumale Ganesha Temple from multiple towns. To get to Kurudumale Ganesha Temple, the nearest railway station is in the Mulbagal Taluk, Kolar district. This is about 11 kilometers away from the temple and can be accessed from there by road using autos or buses. There are passenger trains that constantly operate between the cities of Hassan, Hubli, and Mulbagal. The Kurudumale Temple complex is located on a hill. At initial stages, this hill was known as Kotadri, which later became Kutumle. Further, delusions have given it the name Kurudumale. Another legend says, a nearby cave was occupied by the great sage Kondine, and he used to worship Lord Ganesha in this shrine. So, do visit this age-old Vighnaharta heritage and seek blessings from Ganpati in Kolar. Kurudumale without doubt is a very peaceful and is very near to Bengaluru. Plan it on a weekend and you will not regret coming here. We visited this place many times and sharing our experience with you so that you can plan for a day trip here. There is ample place near temple and we carried our own food. At last, ensure to keep the place clean and don't litter. There are many dustbins deployed near temple and use them. We hope you enjoyed this video and request you to subscribe to channel. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Signing off, Sankalp.